a little bit of a room tour. So over here we've got the main bed, and then little chair there, little fridge, all empty, and wardrobe with safe and an iron and ironing board, and then some more space. Tea and coffee making facilities. In the bathroom with a shower overhead and then a bath. Pretty basic, but to be honest it's only £50, so it's not too far off the price of a Premier Inn. TV's not huge, but not really going to be in it much tonight because we're going out. And then the view, so you can see MK1 shopping park just over there, or you can go and have a wander around the football stadium, so you can have a look at it from along the corridors.
About to whisk off across the river on the cable car, which is Emirates flight, it's called. It's about to go now, we're about to take off now. It's gonna go really fast. Whoa! 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 With all the lights, and you can see the lights by the O2 there. I remember when coming to Canary Wharf with my dad, because he did some of the windows in around this area, and some of the really tall buildings, it was only like at one time there was only like one of them, wasn't there?
Yeah.
One, and then there was three, and now look at it. That's quite an interesting building, this one here, isn't it? Weird looking.
Mm.
Whoa. It's gonna go down. Actually, it's not too bad because you can't see down. Like if you was on a roller coaster, you'd be looking down as you're going down, and it's not that fast.
No.
It's gentle.
It's a bit like a boat flapping in the way.
It is.
There's no chips.
And burgers. Radio on, listening to Sunday Night Live. John's driving in the car there, and I'm trying to look for somewhere to have lunch. John's made it really easy, just wants to have Japanese / Mexican / katsu curry / something or other. Korean, sorry, that's it, which is loads off, like in rural Northamptonshire and rural Warwickshire. Like, it's really easy to find that, but I'm still looking on the apps to find it. We just went to the commercial centre in Banbury, tried to go to before. Thought about going there for coffee or having a sandwich or something. And John decided to come out because it was like road raging producing, because there's like one parking space for about 50 people. You know, people were just walking out in front of the car. So we just decided like enough was enough. Let's go to Starbucks anyway and have a coffee to have a think about it.
Head southwest towards M40.
This is the Starbucks that we're just leaving now.
In a quarter of a mile, merge onto M40.
What did we have at Starbucks, John?
Some kind of festive sandwich with some kind of festive dessert.
By storm, Arwen.
Did you have a festive coffee as well?
No, I just had a latte.
Did you enjoy it?
I loved it.
What was your favourite part?
the tranquility initially.
Oh yeah. And now we're going on to the M40. The sun's out. Blue sky. The storm's nearly passing. Hotel now. This is the Premier Inn.
Take the next left onto Craigmont
Solihull.
Lane, then turn left.
This is it now.
Take the next
got a
left, then your
beefeater.
destination will be on the right.
Here it is. Looks a bit like sort of ski resort.
Your destination is on the right.
So this is a standard double bedroom for Premier Inn. If you look over here, there's some coat pegs, so you can hang up your coats, which is quite nice in the winter when you've got loads of coats and things. Space for your bag to go here, and then you got a full length, well, almost full length mirror. Just check yourself out, and then into the bathroom. It's got everything you need. It's quite clean. It's got sink and taps, you can see, a shower with on the wall shower gel, and then you've got the shower fixtures there. There's only one towel there, so I'm hoping there's another towel somewhere else. Yeah, just down here, I think there's some extra towels. Few coat hangers here, extra pillows, a fan, but as it's only like 2 degrees outside at the moment, I doubt we'll be using that tonight. Some teas and coffees there. It's PG tips, you'll prefer that, won't you? You don't like Tetley's?
No, I don't like Tetley's.
Okay, and then we have the bed. I think it's just a standard double. I don't think it's king size by the looks of it, which Lenny Henry said they're king size beds, so there we go. 2 lights either side, and then if you come over to here, there's like a little tuck chair. Quite a lot of space here. And the TV's up here. Quite a nice sized TV, really. It's not too bad. Nice. A desk, if you so wish, need to work or sit at a desk. There is a desk here. Menus and things like electric heaters. It is actually really warm in here, considering how cold it is outside. Because when we arrived, there was actually it had snowed, and you can't see it now, but there was sleet. So we've got a view of the car park. That's the beefeater across there. So that's where we're going to eat later. And this is like on the fringes of Solihull, so you can see that it's fairly quiet in here. We went into the pub and it was very quiet, so this is it really. It's like standard Premier Inn room. Cheers.